Ari kami sa Food Rockers. Salad anay, buffet salad. Make up lang sa mga itakasa naman ni Lester.
Wala kami sa mood sa ito sa nag-order kami.
Ito kami kabalo nga may unlimited free salad. May coleslaw na graga. May potato salad. May isa pa rin potato salad. Ang burger na banag. May sweet corn. Itong-tong na lang napiyak. Hot rocks and potato wedges. Ano ganyan yung managa?
Ayos malang ka. Ano siya? The works. The works.
And sweet corn.
Shredded. Like a milk.
Unlimited cheddar cheese. Complimentary. Ako kabalo ko na siya. Pero complimentary. Ay kami sa Casper and then beans. All in good taste.
The layer, no?
Ito may ako nga mocha after 8. Ako kabalo nga after 8. Basta mint, chocolate. Ako kabalo ko nga syrup. Ano niya mo ganit na? Why not? Muna na. Do deep lang. Saka strong siya. Strong siya. Yung basil scent. Nag-taste it. Mata na nga blend. Let me stir this first. Napangabudlayan nila yung layer. Hinukay ko lang. Remove this. Let me taste. Nom. Nami ang yung mag-mint flavor. Ha? Hari ako ng DLT ah. Sa organic hindi. Let me taste. Hindi, ikaw taste. May na lang. Oo. May burger ko din. Wala ya. Me. Tingnan mo bing steak ya ga. Kadtibi ang steak ya. Yadi. Gourmet.
Ikat lang ang mega.
Alright. Good. Let me taste my mud pie. Ano na eh?
Bumili ka lang ito. Ano sa book?
No, or do ice cream. Yum. Ice cream. May lang init niya. May lamig niya. So today is April 5 and it's 11:48 p.m. and it's only minutes till I turn 27, at least here in Qatar time, but in Philippine time I'm already 27 and I'm wasting my time sorting out pictures and I look like a mess, so I better freshen up and go back to my work. I actually have not planned anything for my birthday because I don't feel like it today, and I actually told my hub not to prepare anything, not to buy me anything because I don't want to. It's so weird, but I want to celebrate my birthday today by buying stuff from my family, and so I bought stuff for my family and I felt happy. So I did not buy anything for myself though because I don't want to, and I don't even plan on going out. So I just showered and I exfoliated with my Clarisoner, and I'm gonna put on some of my, not some of them, all of them, of my skincare thingy bajingy. is actually a plain white pillowcase and I printed it myself. And also this shirt, which I also printed myself, which says I was a surprise, because as you know, I have a twin and she wears the I was planned t-shirt. So I'm kind of like the surprise on both of us, because doctors don't actually know that we are twins, so until we came out. Excuse me. So I'm going to do my nails now. I'm trying to find a design that would be my inspiration, and I'm going to show it to you later after I'm done, because this will be a disaster.
Ina! Ay, gutom na nasa po. Ang tulod naman oh. Opo, kutso. Ay!
Ano nga mo ko, Chok?
Sa kinabot kayo na ikawit. Ito ko pa na. Pardon, di mo ah. Kaya siya gansada. Wala siya gansada. May kaptita. May tiil mo kapot.
Ba't yun?
Kaptian? Hindi ka patama.
Ubo.
Ah?
Ubo.
Ano dito?
Ubo.
Subanata. Kung tutlo mo na ganyan hatag mo, yun yan
Sige,
ah.
be?
Na. Sabi unto na sa hindi siya magsup-sup. Kay may unto. Makaunla.
Kung yung dog food yun lang, be? Hindi, kung dako na sila bila, dog food lang sila laway.
Boring? Boring nila pagkaon, huloy.
Hindi na, worry.
Magkatagaan siya ka dog food. Tata ka, una. Mano ni saya? Wala. Ano matagtag na may ngingi sa buhay. Sabat-sabat sa mga ngingi sa. Tata. Inom.
Hindi na, guro.
Kaya na may gamay puso. Ito mo. Kapag siya katitikat eh.
Grabe, hindi ba sakit ah?
Kapag sabot ikaw. Kiting-kiting na nga. Na.
Ano ba naghahasak ko?
Ha?
Gaya tamsak. Ikaw na yan.
Mag-manipar, dami ito kami siya number. Ginano ko nagtay yung stampan, Kuya Tiil.
Oo.
Naging trap, pwede si Toots.
Tason? Di mo ginbutang?
Sa planner.
Nami.
Ay, wala kaya katunga-tunga sa kinilo may oh. Kaya pa dito, ganun siya kasapad. Kukutsuk.
So these are my nails. It's not cleaned on the sides yet, but get the idea. Yeah. My personality is kind of changing right now because I'm fond of watching Alexa Poletti and it's really inspiring. But my personality is kind of changing, especially to the things I like. It's becoming more pastel-y-ish, but I'm not yet. And I think I'll never be still on the sides of the pink, more on blues and purples and greens. But on my nails are pink because I don't know, it's kind of cute that way. So what is for today? I guess I'll have to wash the dishes, make some breakfast later on. I think I'll just defrost the bacon now. My hub wants bacon. Bacon! Oh, there's sun outside already. I liked our new arrangement of this room. It's quite roomy here on the center. It's quite cluttered here because me. It's quite roomy here in the center where I can do my exercise more freely. And it's been spacious here already. I need to clean up now. For now, I will be answering birthday greetings on Facebook. I don't know about you, but every time I answer greetings ever since, I put their name on my reply because I think it's important for me that I mention their name back because I thank them and I want to address them by their names. First meal ko sa akong 27th day. Bacon. Baked bacon.
Big.
Na bari na.
Serbihan mini.
Oo.
Crispy na na. Gakwan gid sa bas tambok ilang ni gakaw.
Yan lang na. Ay ko na tungtong ko lang kina.
Manin yung pinakapos nga may magluto na.
Dead.
Meat.
Meat.
Tara na.
So, matulog kami anay. Tulog kami anay. Wala pa kami tulog. Bugtana-ta pa pila ka hours.
12. Manag 13 hours na.
Manag 13 hours.
Ito alas 6 gabi mo.
Wow.
Ti ang alas 6 mo nga aga. 12 hours pa lang to.
Ngayon ako, duway pa ka natulog.
Dayon.
So, 12 hours pa lang mo dapat sumpalit sila.
Gimana? Manag 13 naman dali.
Sinusugat.
Jun. Ako Jun.